Welcome back to Guide Glimpse. Today we have another Canva AI video editing tutorial. So let's begin by clicking New Video and select the option to create a video with an AI in Canva. Upload clips or images from your computer. Click on each clip you want in the video and give a short description of what your video is all about. The AI created a slideshow with the images and text, arranging them in a logical order with transitions and music from Canva's library. The AI synced the music with the slides, adding fade in and fade out effects. You can use up to 10 images in a video, and if you need more, create another video to continue from where the first left off. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.